Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video. We are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Now, Cameron's orthodontist is right by the Dollar Tree, so pretty much every time he goes to the ortho, I'm like, let's do a Dollar Tree haul, because I love to go in and check and see what new is out, because with their crafting section now, it's a whole lot better. So I definitely like to try to go do that. Now, before we jump into this, I did want to let you know that the weekly WOW sale for this week is 25% off your entire purchase. Now, that sale ends on Sunday, August the 8th of 2021 at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. It's a great time to stock up on your crafting supplies because, oh, we're fixing it. I mean, it's just the beginning of August, but now it's time to start thinking about holidays, you know, so it becomes a lot. But I found some great stuff, so I'm going to go over that with you. So the first thing I found were these little metallic pumpkins. I have some more, but they're in a different bag. This one's a gold one. Isn't it cute? I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but those are adorable. I also grabbed some more paintbrushes. I try to stock up on these when I find them. I picked up a set of, these are some kitty cat, they are planner stickers, because I am obsessed with using a planner. That's how I keep organized, because, you know, too much. That's another set of brushes. I go through some brushes. And then I also grabbed these. These are the tool bench. This is just like a 1-inch brush. It's a little bit of an angled brush. These are great for touch-ups and stuff. Then they have some more crafter square stuff, but this was in their fall section. So there's some fall shaped wood items. So we have some acorns. We got 2 of those. We've got 2 of the maple leaves. I love the way like fresh cut wood smells. Does that sound weird to y'all? I think I love it. Then I got some more pumpkins, and I actually ended up buying 4 maple leaves. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, but I am excited for this. I like the pumpkins too. And it's thin wood, so it's a little bit lighter. To me, it's a little bit easier to work with. So they also had, which I think I'm gonna make a fall wreath with these, pumpkin picks. So they had a few different sizes. So you see that we got some like more medium size and then these tiny ones. So I grabbed some of those. Then they had some charger plates, which these are typically like $7 each at Hobby Lobby, $1 a piece at Dollar Tree. So I was happy to grab those, and I like this color because it's gold, but it's not like a yellow gold. It's more of like that champagne-y color, which I prefer because like you see, like this is really yellow compared to that. This looks more like Vegas gold. So, and I love changing out decor for holidays. I don't know how y'all are, but I love to. So I got another one in that yellowy gold color for the pumpkin, and then I also grabbed this copper one. Isn't he cute? I love his shape. So you can kind of see they're different shapes too. So you could easily create some beautiful tablescapes with it. Here's another small pack of pumpkin picks. Then I found these charger plates, and these are a little bit different. These are great for like doing hors d'oeuvres and stuff like that. So I got 2 of these. They're silver. And they're rectangular, and these are heavy duty. These feel really well made. So I'm excited for those. I also grabbed, because I've seen a lot of people use like the pool noodles for the drippy candles for Halloween. So I grabbed 3 pool noodles. Because again, they're so much cheaper at the Dollar Tree. Like really you can't get over, I mean $1 each. You can't get over that. Then, oh, let's see. Here's another pumpkin. Another orange pumpkin. As I said, I bought 2 and 2. A lot of times what I end up doing, and I don't know how y'all are with projects, because I do crafts and I record it, I always buy more than what I need in case I mess something up and then I have to go back and I can't find what I needed. So they had wreath rings, so I grabbed a couple of these. So these are always nice, and it's nice to be able to find them for that cheap, because you know a lot of times when you go to Hobby Lobby, even for the styrofoam ones, they're expensive. You know, $3 each compared to $1 is quite a bit more. So you know, we want to keep things a little bit on the affordable side, you know what I mean? Then I grabbed 2 of these little pumpkin signs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. One thing I do love is like, this is plastic, but it looks metal on here. It says thankful and blessed, so it's kind of cute, but I would probably change it and do the back side. Because one of the things I like to do is, you know, sometimes I'll like double stack and make it thicker. I don't know if I'll be able to do it with this because the way that they're shaped, but you can easily change these to what you want. Now I do know I have blank pumpkins, but this is a little bit different in size and shape, so it's always good to have a variety, best way to say it. And last but certainly not least is I grabbed these round signs. So these say hello autumn. Again, this is a great size and shape to take this off, pull this off. You can take and glue this together, make it a little bit thicker, and then you can make one of like the welcome door hangers. It's your ideas are endless with something like this, and you know, you can do it for a whole lot cheaper, because a lot of times like when you go to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, that kind of thing, if you see like a round sign or something like that and you wanted to make, say this is one to create this to make it look like a chalkboard farmhouse style, okay? Well, if you went to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Joann or wherever, you would spend quite a bit of money on stuff that to either make it or to have it done. Well, this way you can recreate it for quite a bit less, or at least that's how I look at it. So I was excited to have those. And even if I don't finish this for like autumn time, it's great to use for other things too. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that helps. These were some of the new things at my Dollar Tree. What are your favorite things to get from Dollar Tree and craft with? I'm always interested to hear that. But don't forget, our weekly WOW sale this week is 25% off your entire purchase, and that sale ends on Sunday, August the 8th at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, 2021. Make sure we say that. But I guess that's it. We will see y'all later. Bye.